Potato chips, yeah, yeah, yeah. Welcome to Say What? Happy Black History Month. And today we're going to be talking about George Crumb. He was a good man. And the people said he was the best chef in the town. The potato chip was invented in 1853. In the story of George Crumb, so this guy asked, "Can I have some potatoes? Cooked potatoes?" And he keeps saying they're too thick, too thick, too thick. Then George Crumb made them crispy, he made them skinny, skinny. That's how he invented potato chips. Did you know Americans' favorite food is chips? So we're gonna start trying them. We're gonna try them, and I'm gonna tell you what they taste like. Cheetos. Here we got Fritos. They're matching together. Cheetos, Fritos. These ones, the Fritos is made out of corn. Did anybody knew that it was made out of corn? I'm gonna pick this one. It has holes in it. This is made out of potatoes. But this one is a mystery. Have you guys ever watched the commercials of Doritos? The perfect Dorito. These ones was made out of tortilla chips. They didn't just put it in a microwave. If you put this in a microwave, it might just go burn. But if you just fry it, it turns into this. Me and my mom made a homemade tortilla chips. Then she fried it, but then she had butter on it. It's okay. It's good. It's good with butter. She had butter on it. Then she had some seasoning. Really crunchy and tasty and good. Why I like chips so much is because they're really, really crispy. And they got good taste. And they're not healthy for you, but they're a good snack. Salty. Like I need this water. Do you know people eat 28 million pounds? Super Bowl Sunday. It's a football game. In the football game, when you want a hot dog in the old times, they used to throw it to you. I ain't about to eat all these chips. I want to be a vegetarian. Click down there below and let me know what chips you're going to have for Super Bowl. And make sure you put a thumbs up on my channel. Okay, that's all. Bye. I'm still here eating chips.